To speed up video on the Samsung S25, start by opening your gallery, go into your camera and pick the video that you want to speed up. So I'm gonna do this with this one. Click on this icon, and when you do this, you have to go into the scissors and select adjust speed. Then select 2x, and now move this line to the whole video. Or if you want, for example, speed up only this middle part of your video, you can also do this. And now this is the example how it actually looks. Take a look. Now it's speed up. There we go. But let's say that I want to speed up the whole video. And now I have to click save in the right upper corner. Click save to save over the original. Now just wait for the post-processing. And as you can see, it's a little bit shorter. So this one is around, the original was around 17 seconds, and this one it's about 8.